Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I got on a kick today with the shift tool and all the different things you can do with it, and this is pretty cool. Let's say your plaque is this big. I mean, this is my laser bed, so it's not. And I want to run a hairline outline around that fish just to make sure I don't touch the outer part of uh, the wood. Now, as always, if you double click on the rectangle tool, it puts a red, well, puts a line. I've got mine set on hairline around your page size. But you know that if you hold down the shift key with something selected, it's going to put a box around your item. I use this a lot when I'm doing text, and I've got some graphic, and I've got some text down at the bottom, maybe somebody's name or a date, and I want to make sure it doesn't run off the edge, and I want to do a red dot pointer test and have the laser mimic the text and with the lid open so it doesn't burn. With that selected, if I hold down the shift key, it puts a hairline around that text to a T. I mean, from the top of the D to the bottom of the G. That way, if you run a red line, um, a red dot pointer test with your lid open and a vector cut, it won't damage the wood or the plastic, but you'll be able to see exactly where it is on the wood. So that's double clicking the shift key when you have something selected. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.